Yeah, Ernie Shell, bro. I thought I was gonna be able to let you go, buddy. Nope, might have to fuck you up. Yeah, buddy. Fuck you up, Ernie. Well, they got all the police. Constance. You're a nurse, right? Constance, you're a nurse? Pretty fine, too. You don't clean houses. Quit that. You don't clean houses. She says you clean houses. What if it's as big as a house? You just have more medical knowledge than some of the people in our community that say they have medical knowledge. That's what it is. That's what it is. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Man, look. Constance is way finer than Nikalina. I've seen Constance before. Constance is way finer than Nikalina.